Mom, what's wrong? Are you feeling sick? I'm not feeling well, Emma. I have a headache. Mom, your forehead feels really hot.
I know. I think I have a high fever.
Mom, did you check your temperature? Yes, Emma. I have a high fever. Mom, have you taken your medicine?
Yes, but I still don't feel better.
Mom, should I call the doctor?
Yes, please. I don't feel well. Hello, doctor. My mom has a high fever, and she's very sick. I'm sorry to hear that. How can I help?
Could you please come to our house and check my mom?
Yes. What's your name? Can you give me your home address?
My name is Emma. My mom's name is Lily. We live at 145 Maple Street, Springfield.
Thank you, Emma. I'm on my way now. Don't worry.
Thank you so much, doctor. Please come as soon as you can. Mom, the doctor is on the way.
That's good to hear. Thank you, sweetheart.
You're welcome, Mom. Please rest. I'll stay with you until the doctor arrives. Leo, Mom isn't feeling well.
Emma? What's wrong?
Mom has a really bad headache and a high fever.
Oh no! Is Mom in bed?
Yes. Mom's resting in her bedroom.
Did you call the doctor?
Yes. The doctor is on the way.
I hope Mom feels better soon.
Me too. Let's be quiet so she can rest.
That's a good idea.
Let's help Mom today. Hi, Dad. Mom is very sick. Where are you right now?
Oh no! What happened to Lily? I'm at the office right now.
Dad, Mom has a really bad headache and a high fever.
Emma? Is your mom resting in bed?
Yes, Dad. Mom's lying in bed and doesn't feel well.
Emma, did you call the doctor?
Yes, Dad. The doctor's on the way.
Good. Stay with Mom, and I'll come home as soon as I can.
Okay, Dad. I'll see you soon. Please drive safely.
Good morning. I'm Dr. Sarah.
Good morning, Doctor.
I heard you've been feeling sick. Yes. I have a bad headache and a high fever. I'm sorry to hear that. Let me check your temperature first. Your temperature is high.
Is my mom gonna be okay?
Yes, she should be okay. She needs plenty of rest, lots of water, and her medicine. I'll write a prescription for you. If your fever gets worse or doesn't improve in the next 2 days, please call me.
Thank you for helping my mom, Doctor.
Welcome, Emma. I hope your mom feels better soon.
Mom, I made some soup for you.
You made this soup for me, sweetheart?
Yes, Mom. You need to eat something warm.
That's so sweet of you, Emma. Thank you.
I hope you like it.
It's delicious.
Really? I'm glad you like it.
Thank you for taking care of me, Emma.
You're welcome, Mom. I love you.
I love you too, sweetheart.